Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got you another video. In this video I will be showing you how you can go ahead and get Snapchat AI bot. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's go ahead and step into our video. So if you want to do so, first of all, the first key thing for you is like AI bot or my AI is simply a new update given by Snapchat itself. So for that purpose, first of all, go ahead, access the Play Store or App Store or app gallery right there in your mobile phone. What you're going to do, go to your search bar and simply go type in the designated name. Once you get that, you will be able to find this option with your app right over here. As you can see, if in case your app is not updated, you will find this update option instead of open. What you gotta do is simply tap on that, update your app, you're good to go. If that's not the case, what you can do, go to your Snapchat and you're not getting it, go to your profile, go to settings, go to this option called I need help over here, and tap on this my AI option given right over there, and then you will be able to find this how do I access my AI on Snapchat, right? Go ahead, tap on this X button. This article didn't answer my question, tap on submit. You can go ahead, tap on this contact us option, and now you can go ahead, tap on this option I need help with Snapchat features. Go ahead, tap on that, and then you will be able to go ahead, tap on this my AI. If you get that, then you will tap on this how do I need help with, how to access my AI, and you will find this note. It says basically my AI and new my AI feature are rolling out slowly and may not be available to you just yet. So according to them as well, its feature is rolling slowly with all the users right there, so you will be able to get, so you just gotta wait and make sure you always update your app to access my AI bot. So yes guys, this is it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys next time.